Mango tree. Is my coconut knife?
Yeah.
My coconut that I just...
We don't have to do it today.
It's good. Made it to Florida, y'all. Here I am. This is where I'm staying at my buddy's house. Hey YouTube, Veganomix here. So I just got my first flat on my road bike. I don't have a tire patch kit or, you know, any inner tube right now with me, so I gotta walk probably 2 miles. Not a big deal. Tomorrow I'll take it to the bike shop and buy probably an extra inner tube, which I should have had with me. I did buy some tire levers to get the tire off and do it myself, but they haven't come in the mail yet, although I did Amazon's 2-day shipping with Prime. I have a month free or whatever. So, I'm just walking. Not a bad place to get stranded, Florida, so enjoy the scenery while I walk home. This is the first time I've ever seen durian. It's frozen here at this Asian market in Fort Myers, Florida. It's called Leaf Asian Market, so I'm gonna buy one. Picking up this montong durian, a whole durian, some jackfruit, and some mangosteen at this Asian store. And what a beautiful sight this is. Frozen durian in my fridge now. I'm gonna wait till my buddy gets home to crack this thing open and we'll have it together, but then I got another one here. Well, I got a little piece of this durian, and I don't know if you're supposed to just let it thaw and then eat it, or I'm just gonna wait till this thaws out. I guess it's already starting to stink, but to be honest, I like the way it smells. I can tell I'm gonna be one of those people. So I can tell that I'm gonna be one of those people that love it. I just can tell, because the smell doesn't even faze me. I really like it. It smells like a really sweet onion, but like in a good way. Alright, so I'm gonna wait till that thaws and I'll show you guys my first ever durian feast. So these are the coconuts we got from my buddy's mom's house. And right now I'm just having some canned mangosteen. They look like garbanzo beans, but they're totally mangosteen. So yeah, really good. I don't think I've ever had whole mangosteen before. I've had mangosteen as an ingredient in certain things, like bars and stuff. But so this is the mangosteen, 0 fat, 1 gram, less than a gram of protein, and 29 grams of carbs. So this is what you eat if you want to carb up, for sure. So now I'm just enjoying some canned jackfruit. My, this is tasty. If anyone doesn't know, a jackfruit is a really big fruit that's green and then turns kind of blackish gray when it's ripe. And on the inside you have these pods that you eat, and you have a lot of, what's it called? You have these pods that you eat, and then you have these little, like, yellow, it almost looks like pulled pork on the inside. And you can eat that too, but most people don't. Delicious. No fat, less than a gram of protein. Oh, this is the stuff, guys. Yum. Alright, hey there YouTube, Veganomix here. So, I bought this durian that you can see right behind you here. And I bought a little piece of durian from the Asian market that I've been thawing out. So I wanted to do a little taste test. This is going to be the first time I've ever tasted it. It's still a little bit frozen, but I'm going to just go ahead and give it a little taste. Tastes really weird. Like, unlike anything I've ever had before. I like it. I like it. but I can't even put my finger on what this tastes like. Right now it just tastes like ice cream. People say custard. Kind of tastes like onions a little bit. Like oniony custard. It's good though. It's really good. That's all I can say. I love it. I hope I don't become an addict. Okay, so now it's had a little more time to thaw out. The inner part of it, the actual flesh tastes a lot different than the outer, like. Wow, this tastes like magic. This is montang durian. It's really heavy. It's really good though. Wow, this is good. Alright, let's take a look at this beauty. Look at that. Look at inside there. I'm not sure if you can see inside, but let's see. There's where the durian is. Beautiful. Just waiting for my friend Tyler to get home so we can maybe eat some. Oh, it's just... smells delicious. Smells absolutely delicious. Alright, so I just had a little tiny nibble of this. Hey, get out of there. That's my durian, bitch. Oh my gosh. It's everything that I would hope and dream that a durian would taste like. It tastes a little bit like a jackfruit, but it's so much more pungent and just... oh my gosh. Just look at this. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Tyler, I can't wait. Just want to show you guys where I'm riding today. Rode here yesterday, basically a mile loop around a pretty decent sized pond lake area. Oh gosh. Alright, now I'm through. It's beautiful right here, guys. I rode probably 10 miles around, so 10 laps. It's nice. We're getting this stump out. Hi.
I think the rope will snap before anything.
That's why you got to get a running start. Yep, the rope snap. Hawk. And just look at this, guys. Look at this view. Look at this sunrise or sunset. Sunset. Beautiful. I love this park, this preservation area. It's really, really nice. It's just under a mile to go around the whole loop. It's really great. Been coming here every day. Interesting. Sometimes I like to talk to the birds and let them know that they're doing okay, and let them know that I'm their friend and not gonna shoot them down or anything like that. La Reserva de Billy's Creek. Oh my gosh, look at this sunset. Holy cow. Oh god. Oh yeah. Just look at that sucker. Gosh, I would move here just to be able to come here every night and watch that.